Hey everyone, today I'll show you how you can clear your memory or storage on ChatGPT. So all you have to do is just go into the library section. You can do this on your phone as well. And once you're here, you'll see all the images and documents, all the data that you have developed. So all you have to do is just click on all. And then once you're here, just click on this checkbox next to the name, and then you can go ahead and select all the files. So just make sure to scroll all the way down to see if it's completely selected. If it's not selected, there are some files which are not selected. That's fine. Just keep scrolling down till it picks up all the images and files. So it's still loading. So that's the only problem. So once every image is loaded, so then scroll up and then just click on this checkbox again to make sure it selected all the extra items as well. Then click on delete. Just go ahead and click delete. So it'll take some time to delete all the files, so you just have to be patient. So after a long time the files have been deleted. So this is how you can clear your memory or storage as well. So if you found this video helpful, do like and also subscribe to my channel. I make amazing tech content. So thank you and have a nice day.